A channel with 29,000 subscribers is posting the same 4-minute video every single day. No face, no talking, no editing skills, just World Cup standings, a table of numbers, and it's pulling 165,000 views a pop. One of them did 100 times their channel average, and you can copy it right now. But I'm going to be real with you because nobody else selling this will. This is not a business. It's a 3-week smash and grab. The second the final whistle blows, on July 19th, this whole niche falls off a cliff. The searches vanish, the views dry up, and it's basically dead by August. And here's why this World Cup specifically is the gold rush. It's being held across the United States, Canada, and Mexico. 3 countries where football, soccer has never really been the main sport. So you've got hundreds of millions of brand new fans tuning in for the first time with no idea how it works. They don't know what a group stage is. They don't know the offside rule. They don't know what the round of 32 even means. And every single one of them is going to YouTube to figure it out. That's the wave. Casuals in massive numbers, all searching the same basic stuff at the same time. And that's not a reason to skip the window. That's the entire reason to do it right now. The people winning aren't building some long-term brand. They're walking into an open vault while the door's still open. Miss it and you're waiting 4 years for the next one. So let me show you it's real. That standings channel isn't a fluke. It's video after video, 114,000, 144,000, 165,000. Same format every time, just the updated table after each match day. And it's not only standings. Prediction channels are doing it too. There's one running little animated country ball predictions that hit nearly 80 times its average. All of it faceless, all of it pure data. No match footage, nothing you can get striked for, nothing you ever have to film. And I'm not just reading numbers off a screen here. I built one of these myself with AI, start to finish. I'll show you exactly where in a second. The point is, this is proven, and a tiny channel can do it. Now, if you're starting today, don't overthink it. Start with standings. Here's why it beats everything else. 1. Every single fan checks the table. After every match, millions of people want to know who's through, who's out, who's top of the group. That's guaranteed. Repeating search baked into the tournament. 2, it needs zero creativity. You're not writing jokes or hunting for an angle. The data is the content. The table updates itself every match day and basically hands you your next video. 3, it's the fastest thing on earth to make. Pull the results, drop them into a clean animated table, add a voiceover, done. Mostly automated. Explainers and predictions work too, but they take more thought. Standings is the one where you can post daily without burning out. So that's where you start. Now you might be thinking, okay, but how do I actually make one? And the honest answer is, it's the exact same AI workflow I already showed in my last video. That one was a build for explainer videos, but here's the thing, the pipeline doesn't change. Free prompt pack into Claude for the idea, the script and the visuals. Generate them in Google Flow, voiceover on top, done. You just swap the topic. Standings instead of World Cup explained. Same tools, same prompts, same steps. The full step-by-step is right here. Go watch it after this one. And I'm actually building a dedicated standings version myself next. So I'll have a video walking through that specifically. Keep an eye out. Okay, this is the part that actually decides whether you win. Timing. Because the right video at the wrong time gets you nothing. Here's the map. The group stage ends in 2 days. Then the knockouts start, and this is where it goes insane. Every round is a brand new search spike. The round of 32 kicks off June 28th, and that round has never existed before, so millions of casual fans are about to type, "What is the round of 32?" with no clue how it works. That's free demand, just sitting there. Then it tightens. Round of 16, quarterfinals, semis, each one a fresh wave, and July 19th, the final, is the single most searched moment of the entire tournament. So here's the play. The second a match day ends, your standings video goes up. That's the exact moment everyone's searching. Before each knockout round, drop a quick preview. You're not guessing. You're riding a wave you can see coming on a calendar. Post around the matches every time. So that's the whole thing. The faceless standings niche is wide open, it's proven, it's automatable, but only for the next 3 weeks. Start today and you catch the knockouts and the final. Start in August and you're posting tables nobody's searching for into a niche that's already gone. This is genuinely now or never, and the calendar is doing the hard part for you. You just have to show up before July 19th. If you want to actually build one, go watch my last video. I take you through the entire thing, start to finish, with the free prompt pack. And subscribe, because I'm doing this in public with real numbers and no fake screenshots, and I'll show you exactly how it goes. See you in the next one.